Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be 3 mason jar salads that you can make ahead for the week. I have a balsamic salad, an apple and quinoa salad, and a bean and salsa salad. I hope this will give you some meal inspirations for the week. And now let's go ahead and get right into it. For this recipe, you're going to need 1 carrot, a bunch of kale, a red pepper, red onion, and an apple. You're also going to need a can of chickpeas, quinoa, and pumpkin seeds. But there's only one thing. The first step is to make the quinoa. I made half a cup of quinoa for 1 cup of water. By now, your quinoa should be done, so you just want to remove that from the heat. Open up your can of chickpeas and don't forget to rinse them. The first salad is a balsamic vinegar salad. You just want to start out by adding some kale, quinoa, chickpeas, red onions, red peppers, carrots, and then some more kale. For the second jar, I'm doing the same thing. Next is the apple and quinoa salad. So you just want to start off by adding your kale, apples, and now I'm just adding a bit of lemon juice, your quinoa, pumpkin seeds, red onions, and then some more kale. Next up, we have the bean and salsa salad. First, add your kale, then add the chickpeas, some red peppers, corn, and then some more kale. For this one, I'm just doing the same thing. Now I'll show you how I made the salad dressings. For the first one, I'm just adding some balsamic vinegar and some olive oil for the dressing, with some Italian spices. For the apple salad, I'm just adding some apple cider vinegar. And for the last salad, I'm just adding a spoonful of salsa. These salads are so easy to meal prep, and you can bring them with you pretty much anywhere, at work or at school. And they make for a quick and delicious, healthy lunch. But that's it for this video today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!